all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue our Rossi build. So we're going to do issues 82 and 83 of Build the Rossi. Now I'm hoping these today go better than the last two issues because they were just a complete nightmare. In 82 we are doing the chain on this, and then 83 we're actually working on the stand for it. So I think I might get my vice back, which would be absolutely fantastic, because now it'll have a stand to go on. So yeah, I'm really eager to get started on these ones today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so this is issue or stage 82, and we'll basically we are going to be doing the chain assembly on this. Now the first piece we need is this piece here. This was given to us, would you believe, in issue 28. So a long time ago. But basically this is going to be going on just in here, if it'll fit. I mean, we could have put this on a long time ago, but no, this is the Rossi. So, and then we need to screw that in with a type F screw and a washer. Again, we got these in stage 28. So it's been a long time holding on to these parts. We'll try and get it on. What I like to do is try and put the washer on the screw and then try and get it in. Just makes it a little bit easier for me, that is. Okay, and then try and get that in. Okay, so that's on. Next we need is our chain. Now this might be a little bit difficult to show this. So if I have it like that, basically we need to wrap the chain around this part here and this part here, which I don't think is going to be easy, and we need to make sure that the chain is guided through it. Now the way it's got it in the magazine is the ends of the chain want to be where the back wheel is. So let's try to do this. I've been putting this off, to tell you the truth, because this build just doesn't make much sense, to be perfectly honest with you. Right, so that's the chain through there. If I get my tweezers, I'm going to try and get the chain around the sprocket that we've just put on, but I'm trying to give as much slack as possible. That really doesn't want to go on. Right guys, back in a sec while I just get this on.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm back. So I've managed to get the chain around the sprocket now. I've actually got it on its side here. So what we need to do next is we literally need to attach the chain together. Now I need to make sure this is tight. Because they really don't give you much room for error on this. Gosh, this is this is getting beyond modelling, I think. This is just craziness. Right, so I'm going to try and get this link in. Trust me, it is easier on a bicycle. So, mob that through there. Now, I'm just wondering, I might put a little bit of tape just to keep that link in place, because I don't want it coming out. And this has got to be tight. So I've got a tiny bit of tape here. If I just try and tape it in, just to hold it in place. Right. Because I've got to try and pull this as tight as possible to attach the link. Nope, that's just fallen out. Jesus, I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. I really don't. Right, I'll be back and I'll try and get that link in.
A few moments later.
Right guys, I'm back. I've got the chain on. Sorry I couldn't show that, but that was really hard and tedious to do. So the last thing we have to do in this stage is we've got another nut cover to put on. So that's just going to go on in there like that. But yeah, that chain is an absolute nightmare. I managed to get the link in, which is there. But yeah, I don't really ever want to do that again. So that is stage 82 complete. Okay, so issue or stage 83, we are going to be working on the paddock stand assembly. So I've had to get this out of a previous issue. This was with issue 82. This is lovely metal, and basically all we're going to be doing is putting these wheels on, which is a nice welcome break from doing the Rossi, the actual bike. Not been the easiest lately. So that one in there like that, and that one in there like that. And yeah, I'm just going to read this. Take the completed paddock stand and engage it with the two lugs at the ends of its open arms with the sockets of the rear ends of the swing arm. So let's see if we can mount this. So bring it down. Now if we go to the overhead camera, I'm going to take this off my vise at last. Can reclaim my vise back because this has been on it for quite a few months. And this should now sit on there, I think. I believe so, but I'm not too... Oh, yes, no, so it's correct. So it goes onto these bits just here, and it stood. So it is finally stood up, and I'm happy about that because, like I said, it's been on my vice for quite a few months, really. So yeah, that is that end of that stage, and I'm really pleased at that because that was a nice, easy stage. So that is stage 83 complete. Well, guys, that's it for them stages of the Rossi today. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, the chain was a nightmare to do. It's not easy at all. You've really got to get the thing tight, put the link in to put it together. But that stand, wow, that was a nice, quick, easy, and I really enjoyed doing that. And now at least the Rossi will stand on its two wheels, which is fantastic. Hopefully making it a lot easier to work on. Fingers crossed, anyway. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.